Hi there, students. Okay, we're going to look at some phrasal verbs with fit. Fit up, fit out, fit in with. Okay, so to fit out, I think I'm going to start with, is the easiest one. To fit out is to provide someone, to give someone or something all the things that will be needed. So I got fitted out for a long walk in the country. Yeah. The soldier was a new recruit in the army, and he went to the armory to be fitted out, to be given all of the things that he needed. They fitted out the kitchen with all the latest appliances. The factory was fitted out for the production of soft toys. The house is going to be fitted out to the highest standard. Okay, so they're going to fit it out. Okay, so a separable phrasal verb, to equip. I need some more some new fishing gear. So I went to a specialist shop for them to fit me out, to give me everything I needed. Okay, so this is the idea of to fit out, to provide a person, a group, a thing with all the requisites. It's like to kit out. Notice an outfit. Yeah, you have an outfit is the uniform that you wear. Yeah, so when you get an outfit with all the equipment you need, you are fitted out. Okay, so to fit up. Now we can use fit up in the same way as fit out. The factory was fitted up to produce canned food. Yeah, go and see the store's manager, and he will fit you up. I went into the hotel and asked if they had a room, and the lady at the desk said, "I'm certain we can fit you up. Okay, we can make it suitable. The tailor will fit you up with a fine new suit." Okay, so to give you the things that you need. Now, we also use to fit up, meaning to incriminate falsely, to conspire to incriminate, to frame. This is slang, and this is what the criminals say in the film. I was fitted up. They fitted me up. This is a fit up. They placed evidence to make me look guilty. Yeah, I was fitted up. They fitted me up. Okay. Of course she didn't do it. She was fitted up by somebody else. Okay, notice this is quite informal. So both of these, they fitted it up for a new process, separable. They fitted him up for the crime. Okay, he was fitted up very often in the passive because you don't know who fitted you up. And then the final one I mentioned is to fit in. Okay, so firstly, to fit in, to be like everyone else, to be socially accepted. So when you become a member of a new group, you want to fit in. Yeah, you want to be like everyone else. At school, when you go to school on your first day, you want to fit in. You want to be socially accepted and similar to everyone else. And then to fit in, to suit or conform to. So this doesn't really fit in with my plans. It's not suitable with my plans. It doesn't go well with it. And then from that, to fit someone in, to find time for someone, to fit them into your schedule, to find time to do something or to deal with something. I can give you an appointment with the dentist on Thursday. I can fit you in at 3 o'clock. I'm certain I'm going to be able to fit you in tomorrow. Do you think the hairdresser could fit me in sometime this afternoon? Okay, so to fit in, to find a time for something, or to find a place for something. Yeah. Okay, this in many ways is very similar to to be suitable, to find a suitable time. Yes, this house, this modern house doesn't fit in. This is a traditional Victorian terrace street, and a modernist house in the middle really doesn't fit in. It doesn't look suitable. Okay, okay, and that's it. So to fit somebody in, yeah, I will fit you in tomorrow. Children want to fit in at school, so that's intransitive. They want to fit in with the other children. So if you want to make that that be socially acceptable, you need with to make it transitive. Who do you want to fit in with? He just wants to fit in. He just wants to fit in with the others. So let's just go over those again. Okay, to fit out, to give an outfit to provide all the things that are needed for a certain activity. Yeah, before the beginning of term, his mother fitted him out for school. He gave him the school outfit, the clothes, and all the other things he needed. To fit up, yeah, to provide again all the things you need. The tailor fitted me up with a beautiful suit. To fit up, as in to conspire to make somebody look guilty, to frame. Yeah, he didn't do this. He was fitted up. And then to fit in, to be socially acceptable, to be accepted by the group. Yeah. I realized that I didn't fit in within this group. I didn't fit in this group. There you've got a double in. And then, okay, this doesn't fit in with my plans. This doesn't fit in with my idea of what I was going to do, to suit or to conform to. And then, you need an appointment. I can fit you in tomorrow at 4 o'clock. Okay? So, next question, formality. Firstly, this phrasal verb to fit up, as in to frame, to make somebody look guilty. This is very informal, and I would give it a 3 in formality. Only use it informally. To fit, and then the others, I want to fit in. I think I would probably give this 4.5 in formality, maybe even 4.75. Use it an informal conversation, semi-formally, perhaps in a very formal writing, no. To fit somebody out or to fit somebody up, to give them all the equipment. I think I would probably give this again a 4.75 in formality. Use it semi-formally in an informal conversation, perfect, but not in a very formal one. And then I can fit you in tomorrow. Maybe 4.5 in formality. Again, in an informal conversation, semi-formally just about. Okay, so notice as well the verb to fit is an irregular verb. Well, I think it's both a regular and an irregular verb. Yeah. fit, 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 or fit, fitted, fitted. Yeah, I think it can go both ways. And then as to origin, okay, this word fit, there's a Middle English word fit, meaning an adversary or a competitor of equal power. So enough. I hope this video was fit for purpose. Enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating if you see fit. Subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. So, fit up, fit out, fit in with.